these things is not like the others. One of these things doesn't belong. Can you tell which thing is not like the other by the time I finish this song?
Control 020. It looks like that name I gave you shares an address with the suspect. We can give you that address if we need to send units there.
Okay, go ahead when you're ready.
That's 1372 Babbling Brook Court, and that's Mesquite, Nevada. Babbling Brook Court.
Send resident officers there. Copy. 1372 Babbling Brook Court in Mesquite. EMC advise.
It's his driver's license address as well. Control 020. It looks like that name I gave you shares an address with the suspect. We can give you that address if we need to send units there. What is it? 1372? Yep. That's 1372 Babbling Brook Court, and that's Mesquite, Nevada. Babbling Brook Court. And that's going to be the same as his driver's license address as well. Okay. And that's going to be the same as his driver's license address as well. Same as his driver's license address as well.